So what a great opportunity it is to be Prospecta's premier partner at the Mainstream Conference. And I think it's strategically very aligned with our customer needs when it comes to master data management, data quality, data governance. Within the past 20 years, it has been an amazing journey that Prospecta has seen from being mentioned in Gartner, being mentioned at Forrester, and now being an SAP endorsed app. It's such an achievement for a company who has been working for past 20 years. We are here at Mainstream Conference, and it's just so amazing to see people from the asset industry, engineers, data scientists, who are worried about master data management quality.
Basically, we're bringing in the MDO as an enabler for data quality and data governance, which is such an important component. We want the industry to understand that once data is cleansed and enriched, how easy is it then to go for the data governance piece and keep maintaining good data up there.